Okay, guys. So welcome again to Allagale Journeys. I'm in Hempstead, Hemel Hempstead, and this work which I'm showing you is just a continuation from where I've been showing you before, and that's the old section of Hempstead. I've gone all the way to the end of the high street, shown a few pubs, a few things happening, and now I'm going to be doing a left turn here, and I'm going to be going to the new bit of Hampstead. Okay, that's the old, as you can see the sign, Old Town Centre, and then clearly that there must be the new town centre. Alright, let's see what we can find here. Give you an idea, guys, what house prices are like in this area. Okay, you tell me, is this expensive wherever you're watching from the UK or overseas? What do you think? So for example, to rent a 2-bedroom house, £1,500 per month. This one here, 4-bedroom, 2, over 2.5 per month. To buy a property, 1-bedroom, that's looking at about 200,000. 3-bedroom family house, 375,000. What do you think? Expensive? Reasonable? Let me know. I've seen signs of few people of different ethnic background. I've passed somebody that looked like two people, looked like a couple, and you know, again from two different ethnic groups. Was a spoon, the full house. I'll probably have a look over there for some meals. So that's KFC, Hemel Hempstead. It's interesting. Yeah, I don't want to necessarily, I'm not criticizing, but I just find this to be, unless I'm not there yet, is this a modern bit? I don't see anything significantly out of sync, actually. But again, I have not lived here, so I don't know. But yeah, to me, it's a normal high street with restaurants everywhere. I don't see anything which is would call into question. But here we go. Yeah, that's the famous Greg's. Yeah. Wow, I would expect this to be in any relatively modern high street. I think this to me is a blessing. Jobs are created. Yeah, I wish I was able to speak a little bit more to some of the people that live on the old side, because here it's quite modern and very typical of a modern UK high street. There's a Greg's, or famous British brand. Hello, sir. Hello. Are there any Caribbean restaurant in this area? No idea. Nothing with spicy food. Seems to be like a little park where people, and a little market where people can come. Yeah, there are people around. Here we are in the, I think, the new town center of Hempstead. Yeah, so it is modern and it's very different from what probably the two residents spoke to. But this is typical of many town centers. You can go back and watch my video on Crawley. That's a Crawley and Crawley, and tell me if you think it's similar size in terms of the town center, or this one is smaller. All right. Yeah. So this is what it looks like here in Hempstead. Oh, this seems to be like a new one they're setting up. Alright guys, in this video, I haven't touched base with anybody on cameras yet to interview. I'm going to the shops pretty late, and I think sometimes people don't have the appetite to have a chat. So I'm here at Hemel Hempstead, as you know, and I'm at I don't know how it's pronounced, how is it pronounced? Huh? Taba. Okay, good. So guys, if you're in Hempstead, walking about in the high street, new to the high street, you'll see a portable food truck, and it looks like, I've had a chat with her. She's not comfortable being on camera, but I promised her I still want to promote her business. So samosa. I'll have a bite and I'll show you it and I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, so here's the food menu. Have a look at it. And the other prices as well. You decide if it's expensive, it's reasonable, you tell. They also have jackfruit biryani as well. So for those of you who are vegetarian, hopefully this is something that you'll enjoy. Alright, so if you do come to Hempstead, come and support Darba. I know my pronunciation is wrong. It says Indian street food, and yeah, I'm gonna sample the samosa right now. Alright, so if you do visit or you live in the area and if you're bought from this food truck, drop a comment in just drop a comment in the comment section and tell me, rate, out of 5, how do you rate the food here, the customer service here, and the price. Alright, here is my samosa. It's not simple samosa, so I don't know what these are. Samosa chaat. Okay, so the samosa at the bottom. What's the white thing? Yogurt. So there's yogurt, there's chickpeas, green chutney, turmeric and date chutney. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow. So I'm gonna taste it and let you know what what it is like. But actually, yeah. So I'll give you a little report on this in a few. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay. You tell me, have you been here recently, or are you from the area, and have you visited this truck? And if you haven't, please do, and just let me know what is it like. This is super tasty, guys. There's no meat in it. The samosa is vegetarian. The taste is amazing. Wow, the flavor, it is absolutely tasty. This is what with flavor, guys. You will not miss meat. Wow, look at that. Guys, this is a testament of how delicious this samosa chaat is. This was amazing, guys. I can't remember having tasted just so much flavor and texture, the sweetness and the slight bit of sourness and a little bit of tanginess and the yogurt and the pancreas, absolutely, and the crunchy. This is absolutely